Hi, good morning, Vivian. It's very nice to meet you. My name is Yusuf. Okay, so would you like to give me a brief introduction about your company name, and how many years experience in the market?
My pleasure.
Okay.
Our company name is Zhengyi, Toys Limited, and we have focused on the wood toys for more than 20 years. We have all the certificates like SMN, GSCI, ICTI, and so on.
Yeah, the certificates are required due to if you wanna work in or if you wanna sell your products in other markets, such any other market worldwide, they're gonna need this safety certificates, as you saw me.
Yeah.
But like, which market specifically you work in?
Our main market is Europe and American markets.
Europe and American markets.
Yeah.
Of course, the Chinese market also.
Yeah.
So as I see here, they have 20 years of experience,
Yeah.
and more than 50 countries and regions exported to. So you explore to a lot of countries.
Yeah.
Okay, you have more than 57,000 square meters. Okay, what about your main product, or what is your bestseller product?
For the main product, usually we have two lines. One is learning and early learning games, and the other is the role play items.
Okay, so this is like educational product.
Yeah.
And more for education.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah.
This one also.
Yeah.
And this one is also educational, right?
Yeah.
This is winter,
Yeah.
autumn, summer, and
Kids
spring.
can tell stories as well.
And also this one is role play, as you told me, yeah, right? This is this is a role play
And very
product.
popular items.
Yeah, this is role play items. There is
We have lines and we have sound.
Yeah,
to
lights, sound. Like there's some kitchen equipment.
Yeah.
There's here like a microwave.
Open.
Okay. Also, it can be open.
For
There's a
wash.
light.
Yeah.
Thank you. Everything here is made from wood, right?
Yeah.
This is educational product also.
Yeah,
This
yeah,
is
yeah.
for music. Yeah. Thank you so much. And you have all the certificates, as you told me. But if someone want to buy products from you, what is your MOQ?
Usually it depends on the size of the items.
Okay, if it's a big size like this one.
Yeah. Usually it is only 1,000 pieces. It's okay.
1,000 pieces as the MOQ for this big product, as a role play product or kitchen product.
Yeah.
Okay, what about like a small product like this or this?
It is around 1,500 pieces.
1,500 pieces MOQ for this product.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay, you have more than 1,000 type of toys, right? As you show here, more than 1,000 type. You can't put 1,000 here, but you can contact them. They're gonna give you all the details about their toys and everything.
Yeah, because we focus on the OEM items mainly. Yeah.
Okay, so you work in Alibaba and other platforms, or only email? You can contact you by email.
Usually, we only attend the fairs, and you can contact the mail, the fair, and we will also go to abroad to visit our company, our customers directly.
Okay, good. Would you like to give me your business card?
Yeah, no.
Yeah, thank you. This is the company name, Zhengyi Toys Ltd. There's their email in it. You can contact them and reach them, and you're gonna give you all the details. Thank you so much. Thank you. You're welcome.
Okay.
It's nice to meet you, Vivian.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye bye.